Here's a quick video. 1967 Jacobsen 800. Serial number 1885, so number 284 or 285, depending on how you want to count it. I put the correct muffler on. I picked this up 3-4 months ago in Tennessee. Never got it running. Only thing I've done to it is clean the key switch because I wasn't getting juice to the solenoid. And I put new fuel line, filter, and a sonic clean the carburetor. I didn't glass bead it or anything. I just basic cleanup. She runs, she drives, holes in every gear. She should clean up, or you can use it for parts for molding, but it's too good to part. Oh, of course. There she idles. Okay.